Tírale otro pedazo, Pedro. Ahí está. Utiliza el pan para agarrar los peces. ¿Qué cosa, amor?
He's using his bait to go fishing with. He takes it.
He's had 8 fish already, though.
Yeah, he's had fish bigger than his head.
Oh.
Oh.
So he takes the bread and he kind of shoves it down under the water so that the fish will see it. Yeah, we're thinking he's kind of full right now, but
he'll still eat.
Oh.
Yeah, he's getting ready.
I went too deep, the bread.
Oh, there he goes. He got one. That's number 9. Ah. Look at that, girls.
Can that thing zoom too?
Oh yeah.
There he goes. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Does he have any teeth, girls? No. How's he gonna eat it? He see, he put. Oh, gulp. Oh, where'd it go?
What was that, number 9?
He has 9 fishies alive in his tummy.
Oh, it's done, huh?
Yeah, that one was wiggling.
There he goes.
Oh my
Look at that, another big one. Look.
Look, he has to get it in the right position. That's huge. It's bigger than his mouth. But he swallows them like that. Good golly.
I am amazed at how much he eats.
Good golly. Good golly, Miss
Yeah,
Molly.
he's thinking hard about it. Do I want to bother with this one?
I'm
Or is my
so
tummy
full.
full?
Here, girls.
I'm so full.
You want some more?
Oh, I think the ones are still wiggling in his...
The big gritty grit is coming closer. Woo. Got that?